This epic DVD set runs for 13.5 hours and covers 665 species. It is the video reference set on European birds. To give you an idea of a typical account, here's the section on that most Mediterranean of birds, the bee-eater. The European bee-eater is a summer visitor to southern and eastern Europe. All bee-eaters are bright and colourful birds which hawk for aerial insects. Their habit of perching in the open, often on wires and fences, makes them easy birds to see. Identification shouldn't be a problem. The exotic colours of the bee-eater are the very epitome of Mediterranean summers. They have a bright yellow throat with a black lower border. The breast and belly are turquoise, and there's a thick black line through the eye. Like many bee-eaters, adults have elongated central tail feathers. The far-carrying liquid call often signals their presence.